Well, health officials in both Washington and Idaho have announced they will pause the Johnson & Johnson vaccine distribution effective immediately.
Our Morgan Trow spent the day finding out what this means for vaccine appointments in both states.
Both Spokane and the Panhandle Health District have hit the pause button on distributing Johnson & Johnson vaccines, but both say that this should not majorly impact patient appointments this week. Washington and Idaho health experts say although the reaction is extremely rare, the vaccine is on hold until the states receive further recommendations from federal partners on how to move forward.
So what we're hoping is that this is, a brief pause, that the CDC can get to the bottom of this, the FDA can review the evidence, and really figure out what's happening.
Catherine Hoyer with the Panhandle Health District says they have distributed about 4,500 doses to enrolled vaccine providers. The first mass vaccine clinic using J&J was scheduled for April 22nd in Kootenai-County, but is now on pause. Hoyer says this shouldn't be an issue for North Idaho since they have plenty of appointments available for Pfizer clinics. The Spokane Regional Health District says of the thousands of vaccines that have been distributed, less than 400 were J&J. The health district says they were mainly used for people who are homebound. The health district will still do homebound visits this Thursday and Friday, but they'll be bringing Pfizer or Moderna vaccines instead. Right now, there are enough vaccines to accommodate all of the J&J appointments this week. More than 6.8 million people in the United States received the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine. Of the almost 7 million people, the CDC reports 6 women suffered blood clotting. State officials say none of these cases occurred in Washington or Idaho. When you break down the numbers, less than 1% of patients who got the J&J vaccine showed concerning side effects.
So your odds are really good that this won't occur, but also just, make sure that you're looking out for signs and symptoms. If you've received the vaccine the last few days or the last 2 weeks, then maybe watch for any signs or symptoms and then contact your healthcare provider if you have any questions or concerns.
Panhandle says they are reaching out to patients to reschedule for other clinics. Spokane says if you had an appointment scheduled for J&J and have not heard back from the health district, your appointment still stands and the vaccine will be Pfizer or Moderna. If you have any other questions about scheduling, text the word appointment to 509-448-2000. Reporting in Spokane, Morgan Trow, KREM 2 News.